Okay, we're almost there because you can see the stage. So, like you can see the stage. So, like you see the stage over there. There's Zendaya right there. So, and then we're like almost there. So, bye. See, we're like right there. So you can actually see her giving an autograph.
Now look, come here.
So,
What's she doing?
so, we're like right there. So, see her? She's like right there. Oh my gosh! See, lots of people are blocking the way, so we're right there. We got Zendaya's autograph. So she's like right there. And there she is getting out and having her short break. So